Say what I want my Jamaican. Send for your location. And sometimes I wonder why I fool with you. Just a bill and a cool with you.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing two different looks for Halloween. With just, you know, basic makeup that you have, I guess, just lying around. So you don't have to go to the Halloween store and buy all that extra stuff that you really don't need. Or in case, you know, you can't afford it. The first look is going to be a vampire look. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, I'm so hungry. I just fried some rice. And it's so good. So what you're gonna start with is the crippling regret that you don't have all your makeup just laid out like you should. You need to make the face clear, make this bitch disappear. So I'm gonna use my foundation. Okay. Ooh, look at my gel coming up. That's gross. I'm gonna just do my brows. Okay, so once you're done struggling to do your eyebrows, because as I said before, can't do them to save my life. Like this, I did them off camera and it took me at least 12 minutes. So if you want to learn how to do your eyebrows, watch somebody else's video, not mine, because... Okay, so next, we are gonna find... We're gonna use any palette that you have. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. palette, my first makeup palette. As you can see, pink was my favorite color. Now, since I don't use eyeshadow primer, I'm gonna use a concealer to make this stick to my eyes. I'm gonna take this red or pink or whatever color this is, and this, like, these orangey colors and put those on my eyes. So first I'm gonna go in with this top orangey color and put that up here. Okay, so I found my white eye pencil and I'm just gonna... There she is. Hey girl. Put the orange all across the top. I'm gonna go in with that pink or red color. Put that all over our top lid. You want it to look like you have pink eye. So you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna go under your eye as well with the pink. Okay, so we're gonna do that. And then I took a dark color, so I'm gonna go in with my happy birthday palette, whatever color that is right there. I don't know what color that is, but we're gonna use it. Put that also on top of our leg. We're just gonna blend it with this pink. And now I'm gonna go back with this and this black color, which you can see was also another one of my favorites. And we're gonna take that right in there.
No, 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 no.
Take that black again and then just my pretty app. Okay, so as far as the makeup, that's almost it. So we're going to very badly contour our cheeks. Now that your cheeks are very, very contoured, you're also going to contour your double chin. Get rid of that right there. Can't let them know that you have two chins. And a very round face, you have to hide it. Next, you're going to realize that you fucked up because, you know, you took your contour too far down. But it's okay. Wanna know why? Okay, so now that your face is very badly contoured, what you're gonna do next is find your eyeliner and struggle with that. I'll be back. Okay, so once you have your eyeliner on, because you sat there and struggled with it, because you have two differently shaped eyelids, because your parents loved you. Next, mascara. Just throw on some lashes. Okay. So after we do that, we're just gonna take our eyeliner. Here's where it gets fun, ladies and gentlemen, whoever else is watching. So we're gonna draw some distress. You're gonna fuck up a little bit, but it's okay. It's okay. You're also gonna do your bottom liner because you forgot. Now we're going to use this black from ColourPop. Color. Maybe the color. Okay. You find your MAC lipstick. And put that on top. I'll just use these two red colors. Use these two. And just put it around my mouth like I've been sucking on some necks. So, this is almost the finished look, and I'll be right back with the reveal. So, here she is.